What's up, guys? Gordon here. But this is my friend, Jake. What's up? We're gonna reacting to R64 Mario and the retarded spaghetti factory because you know what? That's also that because SMG4 got crazy for all this time because he do like that. Yeah, that's annoying thing I've seen that. Anyways, guys, without further ado, because wait, dude, did you know this said that? Oh yeah, sorry. Oh, anyways, guys, because this is only just for Jake, because I always just know. I'll let you know what to do. Yeah, because I get played now. It's video at 3 to what play. Hang on. Here we go. Oops. Retard 64. Whoa! Really? No! Just can't be naked! Stop it! They're hot welcome the visitors for the grand opening. Spaghetti! Spaghetti? What? We always love you, motherfucker! Oh! Why on earth did you do that? Really? Oh, jeez! He just killed a girlfriend? What the heck? Ah! What's up?
Oh, I'm out of here. Oh, hello. It's me, Mary Chocolate.
Oh, really? Why are you here, Chef Pig? Because I just reacted to that, that's just wanted to just kill his girlfriend at Prince Peach.
You little shit.
You shit, just. That's not even funny, just. Good grief.
If you are wise to listen to me.
Get the fuck out of here! No!
You say, get the fuck out of here!
Surprise, motherfucker!
This is really fun. Bro!
I'm so fresh, you should suck my ass.
You say, suck my ass?
Perfect puzzle for you.
What do you get in the club when they close? Drunk motherfuckers and wretched assholes.
Just dropping that motherfuckers in.
Phone call, yippity-doo. Looks like a retard's calling for you.
Hello?
Hello, it's me, Mario. Woohoo! And I'ma call you because I'm
I'm in, bro. I'm in. Come on. You are dead.
This pretty. He's fun. When I heard mercy. Jake. Can you touch me for a second when I get that thing with that? That's even better.
Nick, please.
That's racist. That's not even good.
Hello, it's me, Mario.
I feel bad for her anyway.
Thank you, Mario. We have to do something special for you. Mario. Mario.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
Did it happen?
Okie dokie.
Now, what are you doing? I am watching this freaking funny video channel.
Is that swag?
Stop watching those gay-ass videos.
What are today doing?
Oh, for God's sakes, not this again. Hey gays, we shouldn't be fighting.
Should be funny anyway. Oh, he's gonna kill it! What the hell is that?
Hello.
Have you seen spaghetti?
Holy crap, it's fat ass Justin Bieber killing him.
This will be fun. Toby Walker. Yeah.
Everybody wants to smell like titty sprinkles.
Cheese sprinkle. Chef, really, it's not be fun. Just now you know that's racist because what the fuck is wrong with you?
Ravioli. Mamma
Damn it, Cheese, just shut the hell up. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty funny. It was.
This is unacceptable!
It's good. I'm out here. Yeah, that's right. Get lost, Chef. Just you know I'm here to hell. Jake, seriously, cause you need to come down with the anger management, alright? Sorry, Gordon. Guys, seriously, yeah, cause it's made those but they're gonna don't even say that I don't know why because Paul is one kind of tough head girl, cause I didn't really want no one section but that because we don't care about Teletubbies. Fuck this shit. Anyway, guys, cause I was in this video, cause I don't like those, but retarded, pathetic, smart ass creatures do with those this whole suit. Of course, yeah. Please, don't even try this at home because you end up with a blow that's the factory. Yeah, I agree, Gordon. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the day. Cause I want in this video, cause this is not even. Cause I feel control anger, of course. Guys, you know what's the this about the video? Cause this guy. He's creepy here, cause I know I like those characters. Anyway, guys, cause I want to end this video, cause I need to take those anger management class, cause I feel terrible, make me a heart attack. Anyways, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See ya.